High quality. The glue wiping cloth is made of high-quality non-woven fabric, no scrap or crumb shedding, lint-free, meet your high requirement for tidy and clean. Use professional glue wiping instead of paper towels, to enhance the professional image of your salon. Great Eyelash Extension Supplies. The Lash Extension Supplies cotton pads can be used for removing the residual glue and preventing the bottle mouth from clogging, thus extend the glue life. Perfect Lash Extension Supplies for beauty salons home using. Clean and Hygienic Package. There are about 200 pieces disposable glue cleaning cotton pads in a box, enough for you to use for a long time, packed in a dust-proof plastic box, which is convenient to take and use. Fine workmanship. Soft surface, strong water absorption and anti-static. The cutting surface is smooth and clean, ultra-low ion precipitation rate, convenient to use. Customer service. If you have any questions or needs, please click Seller Contact button in your Amazon account to email us. We will deal with the problem immediately after receiving your email. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. Love them. Very easy to use, don't has fussy. I live it came in a container, very good quality and cleans very good the polycarbonate or gel, even nail polish. Very happy with this product.